That's the Dino store. The Discovery Center. I want to look at this T-Rex. Oh, there's a long neck. All right, let's keep going. That one would eat you. What?
Come on.
I can't pick you up, he'll bite you.
Yeah, no, a fake.
He'll still bite you.
No, Dad.
Well, this one's got a hole in the side of him.
Oh, that means there's toys where you go in.
Go pat. Oh, I think you put your ear to him and you listen to him breathe. I don't hear nothing. I'm going up to the T-Rex. Oh, what do you stick your head up his butt? This is not to climb on him. Let me listen to this one.
You ready?
Oh, I think I hear a heartbeat. Bye, dinosaurs. Go ahead. Not on the rocks, it says. Look at that tail. I want to go see the raptor.
Does that water you?
That's not Raptor Blue. Oh, they have cups.
You have to get this.
You're too big for that. What?
Please scan your park ticket at the Parker station that has a green card. Remember to keep your ticket with you.
Guys, Atlas is fossil hunting. Move it all around. Oh, wait. It beeped red, I think. Go up. Right there's a fossil, right?
Yeah. Where?
To rent a locker, please scan your park ticket at a locker station that has a green light. Remember to keep your
Here,
ticket
go up
with
on this
you at all
fossil.
times. You will need your park ticket to re-enter the locker.
You gotta come over a little bit.
All these articles must be placed in lockers, including cell phones, wallets, bags, and loose change. Guests with backpacks or large purses will need to store loose articles properly in velocity.
Danny.
Remember to keep your park ticket with you at all
Wow.
times. You will need your
Alright, let's go see Blue.
signed locker.
The raptor eggs. Can you reach in and touch them?
Does this one?
Are they warm? Oh. Alright, come down here. There's some more. What are these ones? Oh, they don't fit up. gotta slide it in here. Oh, it's a heavy one. Let me feel. Don't drop it. Oh yeah, that's heavy. I'm gonna go see if any are hatching. Really? Don't drop them. Or that time you broke our chicken egg?
Let's fix this one. And that's there.
What?
Let's see what happens to that.
We're in line. We're in line outside of Pizza Predatoria. Oh, we keep hearing a pteranodon, guys. We're kind of scared. We're afraid they're gonna swoop down and get us. And Atlas has got pink on, and I got orange on. Will be easy to see. They got security out here. We think that there might have been a dinosaur that escaped. Which one do you think it was? Hopefully not raptor blue. Oh no, they're radioing him. Oh gosh. All right, guys, we'll check in.
Say one.